Now a compound formed by elements X and Y, right, crystallizes in a cubic structure where Y atoms are at the corners of a cube and X atoms are at the alternate faces. What is the formula of the compound? Now for such type of questions, let's draw a cube over here. So this is a cube, though it is haphazard, and I have made it, sorry. So, sorry students. Now, Y atoms are at the corners of the cube. Now your blue line, this indicates Y atoms. And I'll see that this thing indicates the X atoms. Right? Now, Y atoms, where are they present? They are present at the corners. Right? It means what is the contribution by these atoms to the cube? That is contribution of Y atoms to the unit cell, and that is equal to 1 by 8 into 8, and that gives you 1. So it means in the compound there are how many Y atoms? 1. Now coming to the next, that is your X atoms. X atoms are at the alternate faces. It means it is present on this. Just take a book in your hand or any cube which you are having with you. In the first face there is one atom. Sorry, I should use a different pen, different color, sorry. So your X is over here in the front face. In the next face there is no X, and in the back face there is one X. This is the back one, okay? And in this face again there is no X. Now the top and the bottom there are no X atoms. So what are the contribution by X atoms of X atoms to the unit cell? Now that is equal to, what will be these two faces, that is one at the back and one at the front, will be shared by two other cubes. So it would be 2 into 1 by 2, and that gives 1. Right? It means what is the contribution of X atoms per unit cell? It is 1. And what is the contribution of Y atoms per unit cell? It is again 1. So what will be the formula of the compound? The formula is equal to X, Y. Right? Now students, had this been that I'll just frame another question out of it. Say your X atoms, X are present X atoms are present at the corners, right? And Y atoms are present at the three face centers. What is the formula of the cube? So now what you will do, they are present. So again students, in such type of question, what you need to find out is, you need to find out the contributions. That's it. So the contribution by x, as it is present at the corner, will be what? 1 by 8 multiplied by 8, and that gives you 1. And what will be the contribution by y? It should be, they are present in the three faces. Now those three faces are shared by what? 3 other cubes. So it should be 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. So this should be, each face is shared, so each particle is shared, right? So it should be 1 by 2, right? So the contribution of a particle to one face is 1 by 2. So it comes out to be 3 by 2. Okay? Now the formula of the compound is equal to x and y 2 by 3. What can we do here? If I am doing, what will be the formula then? It should be x3 y2, right? So your formula comes out to be x3 y2. Okay, this is the way we can find out the formula of any compound by just knowing the particles present at in the unit cell.